my way. 'Cause it's you two way.
Hi, I'm Mike with Ziems Ford. I have a 2013 Ford F-150. This is an STX. Let me walk around the vehicle and I'll show you a little bit about it. This F-150 has tow hooks in the front. Got aluminum wheels, cloth seats, carpet delete. Do you have power windows and power locks? Looks like it has a line in for an iPod. This is the extended cab version. This truck is equipped with the 6.5-foot bed. You do have the tow hitch with wiring already equipped. If you'd like to get more information on this vehicle, please visit us on the web at ziemsfordcorners.com. You can always call us at 505-325-1961. I'm Mike with Ziems Ford, and have a great day.